Hi, today I want to talk to you about the Soundstage 600.4 amplifier, this little baby right here. We all remember back in the day, our dads or our moms had big stereos, big amplifiers and great big speakers. And now you'll see that things are very small and compact. It's no different now in car audio. So you notice this one is actually not much bigger than my hand. So what this means is it'll fit into any vehicles today, of a pickup truck, a car, whatever you need. The one really nice thing that's changed over the years too is I no longer need to have certain amps for certain speakers. And what I mean by that is I can do 4 speakers with this one. I can do 2 subwoofers. I can do 1 subwoofer. I can do 2 speakers and a subwoofer. It actually makes it incredibly versatile. And also that means too is that this vehicle you might use in this configuration. When you get your next car, you can take it with you and configure it to your next car. So that makes it even double in value. The other aspect to this, it has the term crossovers, subsonic filters, and bass boost. What this means is if you have a 4-inch speaker or a 6-inch speaker, etc., those speakers only produce a certain amount of sounds. What this can do is actually maximize your factory speakers or any aftermarket ones you add. Like I said before, this amplifier can do almost anything you really want it to do, which makes it hugely valuable. The one nice thing too I've noticed is you can get a 1-year over-counter exchange warranty, but also if you want to have it for, say, you just bought a new car, you leased it for 3 years, you want to have a 3-year warranty, you can buy a 3-year warranty, no problem, from the salesperson inside of Visions Electronics.